close there, bucko. Oh!
Hello friends, welcome to day 3 of TX2K. We are now leaving. We watched one race, the Cadillac pulled the baiter, oiled the whole track, they shut the track down, and now we're going to the airport to go to Vegas. Alright, so again, it looks like we are some of the equipment heading back. Alright, we got 4 fireball shots. Jared takes 3, I'll take 1. What's up, bitch?
What's up? Is this your vlog?
Yes.
Oh,
apparently. I didn't know I was gonna vlog, but now I am.
Yeah? Get a couple shots in you, now you're vlogging?
Yep.
Sounds good.
Hello, booby girl.
Who?
Booby girl.
Hello.
Alright.
Devin's about ready to be gonzo.
We all just took shots. Bobby didn't film it, so now Bobby's gonna take a shot. Bobby can take a shot.
I fucked up. I really messed up.
Come on, Bobby. Take that nasty ass
I really hate Fireball, like with all my heart. Cheers.
That's not bad. Okay, it's the but with different wheels. Different wheels.
No, I'm sorry. It's fucking good. Here you go, Jared.
Just in general, you don't like that car?
Nope, but I do like Fireball.
Yeah, I know you do.
That's what it
No
takes.
way you're doing a double again.
Yeah, I'll do a double if you guys do a single.
He'll do a double? Wait, hold on. Devin said he'll do a double if we do a single.
Honey, can we do it when we get to the hotel?
That's boring as fuck.
Richard.
Jared a dick.
What? No.
Jared a dick bachelor. Alright, Bob.
Oh no.
Jared Dick Bitchler slams the shot. Look at that. Alright. Cheers to big titties and fat butt cheeks.
No.
Ah. It really burns the scarf.
It does.
What's going on, guys? It's just Bob and I kicking it this morning. Jared's a little hungover. He'll probably be sleeping till noon. It's about 8 a.m. right now, and we are headed out to grab a nice little rental car. Hopefully Bobby likes it. Where's level 4? Now you have to find a car that you think is it.
Is it that one right there?
Oh, which one?
Is it an M?
Hopefully you like this car.
I freaking knew it was an M the whole time.
It was a decision between a C8 and a new M3. They didn't have any F80, so I got the G80.
I love that wing on it. What the frick? I have to get one of these now.
We needed, of course, a 4-seater because Jared's here as well. So this thing should be a fun little ripper for the day. Let's check her out.
Oh my god, the interior.
Oh, what?
That looks insane.
Should we go for a quick little cruise?
Yeah, I gotta update my vlog though.
I'm not gonna lie, I really did not like these cars when they first came out, and I'm still not liking them all that much, but I must say they're growing on me a little bit. They look good. The front end is a little sus. Everything else about the car is insane. Here you go, good morning.
You're insane is what you are.
Crack that son.
Get out of here, no.
I don't know how to pop the trunk.
You need to pop the front.
Hold up. Just give me a good old cold start for the boys right
I
quick.
can't. Not too shabby.
It's quiet, but the potential's there.
Potential. It sounds kind of funny. Sounds like she's got a misfire right off the bat. I'm stoked for this, not gonna lie. All right, Bob, you're driving.
No, I'm not driving yet.
What?
Not yet.
I got it for you.
Honey, can I drive when we get like into the desert or something?
We're going to the desert? Apparently we're going to the desert. Ooh, these seats are nice. Ooh.
Do you want me in the front or Jared?
I want you in the front, Bobby. This is your car.
Whoa, this is really nice. What the? Whoa,
This thing's interesting.
that's so cool. Do these light up or is that just like reflective?
So we came out to some dry lake bed out here in Vegas. Bobby's gonna do a photo shoot with the M. Should be a kind of cool little scenic thing. That's how it looks out here though. This car is so sick, so fun to drive this thing. Not the biggest fan of how it looks, like I said before, but it's so fun to drive. Also very bright.
I really don't want to drive it on the freeway. I will not drive it on the freeway. As a matter of fact.
Bobby's gonna drive on the freeway. Let's see if you like her.
Pretty fun. It's so weird. It's like boring when it's not a manual. It's so much faster than I thought it would be initially.
It is pretty quick.
Yeah.
She's a ripper for sure.
100 goons pulling up the SNL like you. They do a party, won't even invite you. I see the same. Mac and cheese, crispy fried.
Gap. Let's go. What is that thing anyway?
I don't know.
LFA, or no, LFA.
Yeah, it's LFA, bro. We just gapped an LFA. Bobby just gave a LC 500 a gap. There's an M2 up here if you want to gap that.
Baby, I don't want to gap everything on the road. Ooh, she looks good from behind.
So at the very last minute, I figured out how to open the valves on the exhaust. Put this thing in M mode, sounds a little bit better, a little bit louder. It's got a factory blurple tune on her, factory burble tune. Overall, car was pretty sick. Car was fun, but I actually got it for Bobby, so let's see Bobby's thoughts on this thing. See if she ever wants a new M, because I know she always talks about it. Let's hear it, Bob.
I personally love this car, but I definitely think we need a manual, and I like the FADs more.
So my problem with really, really nice cars like this is they're like so perfect, you really don't need to mod it. It's so fun, but I feel like it'd get boring after a while. Compared to like an STI or an Evo or any of the other shit boxes that I own, this car is so perfect as is. It'd be tough to like mod it out and try to make it better because it's already amazing. But yeah, Bobby is right. A manual would be a big plus. So if anyone's got a wrecked G80 manual, bang my line. All right, well, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I'm gonna go buy a new car in San Francisco and then drive home. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the G80. I like how it looks. I haven't even really showed you guys a walk around. So here's the front. Good old bucktooth bandit over here. Front looks sick. I like everything but on the front except for the grill. Headlights are sick. Side profile is pretty nice. It's got the nice hips like a F80 M3 does. Interior, not a big fan of the coloring. Interior is nice. Bobby, you are naked. Interior is nice, but they got like this blue on yellow going on, which is a little bit different. I don't know if it's just because it's the comp that makes it have all that weird coloring. But yeah, overall sick car, and it's got a nice little carbon fiber wing on it. Yeah, drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I think the rear of this car is my favorite. That wing looks sick on here, ain't gonna lie. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow or in the future.